What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel.
Get Luke talking.
So, this is our first video. I'd like to introduce ourselves. I'm Aaron. This is Luke. Guy behind the camera, flip it around on yourself. That's loaded. This is my 2008 Dollar Ground 1500. The channel's gonna be kind of based around it. And Luke's little Japanese Forester.
2003 Forester XT JDM. Fresh off the boat. Right hand drive.
Don't really know what's gonna happen with this channel, but hope you guys are along for the ride. So today's project, I was going to make a video yesterday, but the boys weren't around. Took step bars off. Doesn't look like a grandpa truck anymore. I mean, it kind of does. It's pretty stock. Anyways, I think the item of today is to make it loud. But we already have a Flowmaster. I don't even know what kind. So we got one muffler right there, and we got another muffler right here. We're gonna make this pretty loud. Don't know how loud it's gonna be, but we're gonna see. It's gonna be loud. Oh, there's gonna be so much dirt calling on me, man.
Yeah, you might close your eyes.
Yeah, man, that thing's loud. What do you say, Lloyd?
You're gonna want a lot more than that.
What you doing? Trying to get a pipe.
I don't know. I was gonna do that. I gotta figure out what I want first. If I want to take them all off, or if I want to take one.
Take one off. You might as well take all of them off.
Where's the punch? Can I use scissors?
Just anything that fits in there. Just place yourself open.
Oh, I punched my transmission yesterday.
Oil change was trying to take the plug out. I don't know. The guy took it to the guy before me took it to like an oil change shop.
Oh.
Hey, that's off.
It's
That's
off.
off,
That's
but-
not.
I mean, it might be angry.
Might have to go buy some new C clamps.
That's not.
So this is not how we planned it going. I don't quite trust myself underneath a vehicle with one of those, so I'm gonna let Luke do this.
Yeah, let him do it. Let Luke do it. That seems smart. When in doubt, let Luke do it.
You look like you have 3 kids, man.
I do.
Yes, it is. Oh, nice. Look at that. Look at that Saskatchewan goodness. Do we want to take it off the hangers first?
It'll make it easier to pull off.
Okay, let's take the hangers off.
I don't know. Yeah. It can help.
Is this welded?
That totally is.
What? I think this is welded.
Where?
Right here.
Maybe. I don't.
So
You're cutting more.
it?
Yeah. Fun time for Luke.
No, I don't like doing that.
Take that part. Luke. Tell him what we're doing here.
Rule number 1, Milwaukee only.
That's it.
Yeah. Bands, we're gonna cut right here. Right before this mouth. Can you see?
Yeah, you can show him.
We're cutting right here. It's gonna be a weird angle, kind of like this.
Don't make it a weird angle, bro.
It's the only way it fits because of this tire. It's just gonna be like this.
Whoa!
What? We're dropping your tire.
Okay. Spare tire. Dropped. Don't want to take it off the cable, but you know how it goes.
Ready?
Yeah, I guess.
That's sexy. Welcome back to Pipe's Muffler Shop.
This is a resident.
Really?
This was straight to me.
Really?
Oh, I didn't accidentally press it.
We're taking more mufflers off. Yeah, cut it. Why is this being such a...
I'll probably do it right before then.
Let's just try again. Like stick. Yeah, like that.
It's not gonna be very clean cut.
What'd you do?
It's separated back here.
Did what?
Wait, you know what? You're gonna need another fucking band clamp.
Shut up, it's already...
That band clamp just is loose.
Okay.
It's not broken.
That's it.
We cut it here. But this broken loose.
Can you...
Okay, should sound pretty decent now, eh?
Should.
If not, that's gonna suck.
I'm gonna be pissed.
If not, we're supposed to go home.
Then I'm just, yeah.
Yeah, Aaron, you get under and try and make us open like this.
Easy peasy. We're still hitting
Let's go.
ramps.
No matter what. Maybe. Got it?
It's closed at 8. So if we have time, we have time. If we don't, we don't.
That's so, man. I can't run that.
Update. We're in the Subaru now. We're just here. Oh, we're on the wrong side. Ha ha. Anyways, we're going Canadian Tire. Just getting some pipes because, like we said, this isn't gonna be permanent. This is just gonna be temporary. Nice. It sounds like we are going to do a side exit exhaust right before the rear tire. It's gonna be gross. But ew, boost gauge. What? Oh, boost gauge. Oil pressure. Ew. AFR coming soon. That'll be good content. Good content. Okay, tire. Here we are.
Yes, sir.
Gotta go get some mighty coach. You shut up, you hang your mask from your mirror, you weirdo. Sweaty boy. Alright. Well, ew, look at that Golf over there, man. Ew.
I just have to go and take a piss.
So they don't got anything. They don't got 3-inch, boy. This guy looks like he hates life. Fixing windshields.
I think I would don't probably just sit there.
But ooh, look at those. Look at that truck. It looks like mine. Right there. Canadian Tire sucks. Part source sucks even more.
Terrible service.
Whatever. You're kind of mad. I was not.
No. You got mad.
Okay, well that's perfect. That's perfect. So what we're gonna end up doing is we're going to take that pipe that Luke's holding.
This one.
The reason we took that pipe off
Let's
is
see, Luke.
because of the clamp that the guy put on just completely rusted through, so we had to. I bought a new one of those. Gonzo. Yeah. Anyway, so we're gonna end up running it back. We're gonna hook a 45 on, kind of back here, so we don't have to go underneath the leaf spring too much. And we're gonna kind of have a side exit right here, but right before the rear tire, because honestly, we don't have that much pipe, and we can't find 3-inch pipe.
We're using the old pipe from the other muffler and res.
We're gonna try and utilize that. Is that that's 45?
That's old because Canadian Tire and Part Source they don't sell 3-inch, I guess.
I guess it's not a thing.
Yeah.
Anyways,
So we'll figure something
we'll
out.
figure something out, and yeah, we're just gonna roll the punches.
So Luke, what's your thought on welding today? Don't want to?
No, well, we guess we will.
What do you mean I can weld this thing?
You're not.
Well, just wait. Before we start cutting, let's cut. This thing is called measuring.
Nah.
So what we've decided is we got this cut off now. We're making it shorter. So it's just gonna extend onto that long pipe over there. And then we'll see how this will go, because I don't know. I'm freaking out inside.
So what are you doing right now?
So we're just trying to clean this off, just so that you have a good surface to weld. So just do some tacks.
Yeah.
So we just got a couple tack welds on here. Not pretty. Not pretty. Gonna go mock it up, see if it fits properly, and yeah, we'll move on from there. But it's a good kind of.
It's not gonna leak.
It's not gonna leak. Honestly, it's all we want. Out of
You're
it.
laying down turds, bro.
Got updated. That's as much as we got left.
Yeah, that's it.
And as you can see, it looks terrible,
Because I'm just beefing it.
but it works because it's all we're trying to do. We're just a bunch of broke kids with these cars that we spend all of our money on, and then next thing you know, we can't do anything to them because why? We're broke again.
For you guys.
And this is what happens when you don't have enough pipe. Why doesn't every store have pipe, man? Like, 2.5, 2.5, 2.5. Who wants a 2.5 pipe, man? 2.5 inch pipe. Who wants that? Yo, boy! Look at those wells. You. Alrighty. We got this much done up. And looks like we're gonna have to do probably one more to get it right out. But we're gonna go mock this up and see how she fits. Yeah, look. Looking at this good. Yeah. Clean this up, make it look nice.
No, that was my idea.
No, it was not at all. That was my idea.
I'm the one who told you that.
No, you didn't.
You're an asshole.
I'm just a smart one.
Push. Logan told me that, and then he goes, well, no, it's actually, he says it like under his breath. Actually, that was Luke's idea, but like, and I said, oh, so don't give you all the credit. He goes, yeah. So where we're at, we're trying to put that onto that, but that is dull, and we don't quite have much to use except an angle grinder, and angle grinders kind of have a lot of power, and they kind of wreck a lot of stuff. So it's been a long day. Sun's already going down. This is what we got hooked up. It's a little bit further back from the wheel than I wanted, but I mean, like, it'll work. What we got hooked up here? Got a connector right there. Got a hanger right here. We just made a hanger right here. Then it runs out. So what we're gonna do? We just gotta beef up this hanger. Then it should be good. We just gotta put a new clamp on the end there. Other than that, we should be good, ready to go. This is what we got. Here we got, boys. Yeah, don't touch that. 3-inch straight pipe. Courtesies to Luke. What are you eating?
Just wait till after.
Can I have some? Feed it like a mother bird. Oh my god, this is good. We gotta do this now. We gotta slap in this bad boy on the end here so we can connect to the truck. See how she goes.
Okay. So we're just finishing it up here. She is now on.
Spin it to the side.
And we are about to go and put it underneath the truck and she'll be all set, and then we'll go for a little rip. Okay?
You're like mumbling over there, I can't even hear you.
Talking close to the camera because you guys are talking in the background.
Logan quit smiling behind the camera, but
Looking way too cute right now.
Can you not?
Yeah, do you mind? And it doesn't fit.
All right, come back next week for.
See ya. I'm just kidding. We're just gonna finish it right now. I'm just joking about that. He's not being serious.
This is so stupid.
This is very stupid. I can't believe we're actually having a problem with twisting. Out of everything that we've done today, twisting is the problem.
Yeah.
We made a freaking. We cut the pipe apart. Are you going?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Let us know if you want to see it lifted and
Or if you want to buy it
and straight pipe, no cats, no nothing.
and buy it. Someone please buy it. Someone please buy it so I can get a new vehicle.
Well, there we go. That's what's gonna stop us from it falling down. Is that little freaking booger of a weld? Hopefully it works. 'Cause I tell you what, the sun is going down and I'm tired and I want to go home and go to bed and eat some food. Hopefully this works.
Don't rev the piss out of it. Don't rev the piss out of it.
Just don't rev it a little bit. That's not okay.
Well, boys, we did the exhaust a few days ago. It's Thursday now, so I guess it's been 4 days. I guess I was planning on giving you guys a little update video, and just to tell you that I absolutely hate it. The 3-inch straight pipe dumping out right before the rear tire. It sucks. I'm not a fan of it. It just drones and it's like the loudest thing ever. It does sound kind of cool on startup and everything, but on cruising speeds and everything, it sucks. But like, it doesn't sound horrible. It's just, in my opinion, too loud. I didn't think I would ever say that. But it's too loud and I just don't like the tone of it too much. So what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna throw that flow masher back on and just run that from now on until I figure out what I'm gonna do in the rear end for exhaust, if I'm gonna get true duals or if I'm kind of got some things in the mix that I'm thinking about doing, and so it might require true duals, it might not. So I'm kind of just playing it by ear at this point. So, I think what we're going to do is we're going to try to put that muffler back on and just call it a day for now. But eventually I'm going to be redoing the whole exhaust on it. As we said before, this was only a temporary fix or mock-up kind of thing. But yeah, other than that, I'll send it back to the video to end it off.
Probably not.
Well, boys, been a long, hard-fought day. You hit the trucks running out there. It's stupid loud. Stupid loud. Yeah. What do you guys have to say? This is our first video.
I love it.
I mean, looking tired. I'm honestly not a fan of it. It is way too loud.
I love it.
It could be better. Anyways, first of many videos. Signing off. Don't even know our name. We'll figure it out. Talk to you guys later.